back to my channel. This is a very important video for me, and this will also be a reminder for a lot of people who are struggling like me to form a routine in their lives. Right now my life is a big chaos and there's just like so much to do, but I crave a routine. At the same time I struggle to build one, so I'm just trying to like reset my life, do certain things that will ultimately make my life only easier. And they may be small things and tasks here and there जो मैं बहुत टाइम से टाल रही हूँ and मुझे पता है मुझे कर देना चाहिए, but वो bigger picture में एक significant change लाता है मेरे life में. And I'm just going to share everything I do today to get out of this funk, get my life going a little bit and maybe make it a routine. Let's see. I've already had my coffee and my breakfast, so that is out of the way, but I've still not made my bed. मेरे bed पे पुराने मेरे कपड़े भी रखे हुए हैं. I have clutter on my bed. I have unopened packages जिनको मुझे अपने जगह पे रखना है. So there's a lot to do.
Falling to pieces in my room. Are you coming over? That's cool. I could use a little something to do. We could go outside, take a little ride if you want to. That's cool. I did what I was supposed to. There's nothing left for me to do. So now I'm poking out my head through open windows, 'cause that's what I feel like.
Alright, I already feel so much better. I cleaned my room, put everything in the right place, and मैंने अपना bed भी अच्छे से साफ कर लिया है. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a shower. I'm sorry if you can hear the AC. It is so freaking hot, you guys. It is 40 degrees. बहुत ही ज़्यादा गर्मी हो रही है ना. So yeah, I have to take a shower. I'm not going to do much, just like a body wash. I don't know what it is about like taking a shower every single day. It seems like such a big task. Sometimes it does get rough and I am not able to shower. I'm not able to wash my face. So today is a good day. I am going to shower, wash my face अच्छे से, do my skincare. My skin is so crusty and dirty, so need to do all of that. I feel squeaky clean and refreshed after my bath. I hadn't done my skincare properly in the past few days and it really shows on my face जब मैं ढंग से अपना skincare ना follow up करूँ. A lot of people think कि moisturizer summer season में important नहीं है, and अगर आपकी oily skin है तो आपको moisturizer लगाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, which is completely false. A good moisturizer helps to keep your skin hydrated. If you have oily skin and you don't use a moisturizer, your skin will actually produce more sebum like it does for me, because I have oily skin, and using a lightweight non-greasy moisturizer will help to regulate the sebum production in your skin. My favorite is the L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Hyaluronic Acid Plumping Cream. When it comes to hydration, hyaluronic acid is a key ingredient. Basically it's a humectant, so what it does is it draws moisture from the environment and then it hydrates your skin. This cream deeply and intensely hydrates the skin, also gives it a plumping effect from within. Its patented micro hyaluronic acid active is 50 times smaller than the regular hyaluronic acid, which allows it it to penetrate deeply into the skin, and because it is so lightweight and non-sticky, it quickly absorbs into the skin without making it like super oily. If you have dry and dull skin, or if you have fine lines like I do, I have fine lines under my eyes, then hyaluronic acid will work really well for you. I love every single product from this range. They have the Revitalift Hyaluronic Acid Gel Cleanser. This gently cleanses your face without making it too dry, and it will also give you that plumping effect. Then comes my favorite eye serum, and this is the Revitalift Hyaluronic Acid Eye Serum. This has the triple bead applicator, and I absolutely love this under my eyes. I've seen a noticeable difference after using this for the past 2 months. You also have the face serum. I've used bottles and bottles of this, and I swear by this product. And of course, the last product is the Revitalift Cream. This is the best hyaluronic acid range that I have personally tried, and the products are super affordable as well. I would highly recommend you guys to check out these products, and I will link all of these products for you in the description box, so don't forget to check it out. Okay, so I did some work and now I am going to drink my Nimbu Pani. By the way, this glass set is so cute, and I got this from Amazon. It comes with a glass straw as well, and this is not me just telling you, oh, you need to hydrate and, you know, have healthy food, this and that. For me, resetting and just like, you know, getting my life together also comes to food and what I intake. And it is true, I will eat like at odd times, and I will not drink water, and you know, just not take care of myself that way. So it is important for me to take out the time to eat my food, like lunch के time पे lunch किया, सुबह breakfast किया, रात को dinner किया. Also fluid intake because it is so hot, and fruits and all of that, क्योंकि मुझे fruits खाने नहीं पसंद, and there's just like a lot of food that I am still like building a good relationship with. It's really just about like creating a habit. I want to wash my makeup brushes because I have not done that in so long. I know it's gross, like I need to get it done so that uske baad I feel relaxed, and every time I do my makeup with my washed brushes, freshly washed brushes, it'll apply a lot better. So it's time to give the babies a bath, and I want to take you guys along with me because it is such a tedious process. I would pay someone to do this for me, and I'll show you guys what I use to wash my makeup brushes. Okay, let's get to washing. Okay you guys, I'm back. I am done with washing all the brushes. बहुत tedious काम होता है ये, but मुझे इतना अच्छा feel हो रहा है कि कल मैं उठ के fresh brushes के साथ अपना makeup करूँगी, and it's just like, you know, makes all the difference, like I said. Anyway, I wanted to say something before I end this video, that don't think about this reset routine as just like a to-do list of like doing things. You don't have to do things to reset your routine. All you can do is maybe just meditate if you like to meditate, or maybe just jot down some points and start a task, and that is all you do to reset. मेरी आदत है कि मैं चीज़ों को टालती रहती हूँ, and I just cannot find the motivation or just like to get out of bed to do anything. So for me, something like this included to do all of those small silly tasks that I usually don't do, and वो सब मेरे reset routine में बहुत बड़ा एक role play करते हैं. And this is not about like starting at a certain time or a certain day. This is about just starting whenever you can do it. For you it can be at 5 AM, for someone it can be like at 2 PM or like at 6 PM. It's not about like end of the month, beginning of the month, whatever. It's about when you are able to do it and when you want to just start. This is just going to help you get out of a rut. You know, sometimes you do small tasks and उसी से आपको ना अच्छा feel होता है, and you feel like you have accomplished something. Like me washing my hair makes me feel like I've accomplished something. The next task that I can do can be a bit bigger, because now that I'm in my working zone and I am in my element, so tomorrow probably I can film 2 videos instead of just like 1 video or something. I know I kept on saying the same thing in a loop, but I just want to make myself very clear, and sometimes I'm just not able to like articulate myself that well, you know. know, but I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to say. Anyway, right now before I sleep, I don't always do it, but today I want to do it, and that is fill in my journal. So this is a journal that I got a while back. This says a home for your thoughts, and this has my name right here. ये मैंने कोई तो वेबसाइट से मंगवाया था. I will leave a link to this in case you want to get this. This is a very nice journal. It's very different. I'll show you guys. Wait. Here is my name, and it says it's a wellness journal. There are like a lot of questions and like a lot of different topics also. So this is like unwinding before bed. I think I should do this today. I'll see अगर इसके आगे कहीं पे ये same चीज़ है. And then here it says be gentle on yourself. I just think like इसका ये जो format है, this is very nice, and it's like very concise form of journaling. And yeah, that is it for this video today. I had so much fun filming this. This really got me going and got me excited for like the coming week, and I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video as well, and आपको कुछ ना कुछ tips मिले. Like if all it did was get you out of your bed to even listen to music or just sit in a different room, I'm proud of you. Please know that. Let me know what are some things that you do to, you know, reset your life or whatever. I would love to include some of your tips as well. Thank you so much for watching this video, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.